welcome back again to my channel. So we're back again and again and again and again and again. So for today's panibago video. So our video today is special edition dahil nga 800 subscribers na ako. Thank you. Well, so atong video to karon kay so special edition man guys. So nag-post ko sa social media account nga comment kung gusto kay shoutout or kung gusto nimo i-promote ang imuhang mga social media account like TikTok, Twitter, IG or YouTube or your Facebook. That's why nag-post ko dahil nga 800 subscribers na ta. So thank you Val for your views, like, share, and subscribe. Kung ka pala sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para updated ka kada upload at para mag-party ka na sa pamilya ang Val. So without further ado, Vals, let's get started. So I'm back again and again and again and again and again. So this is it. Mo ni sila tanan nga ato i-shoutout ko din ito ipa-promote ilang mga social media account guys. So i-random na sila guys para thrilling, para mas lingaw. So that sila mahiwagang baul. Ayan sila guys. Ayan. So mas lami magud ka guys. Mas lami magud ko yun. Para mas exciting, di ba? Para fair to na. So kaya top 5 from the 800 corner. Facebook, Kai K. Car Bernaldez, IG Karen Bernaldez, Twitter Car Bernaldez, Facebook Natalie Claire, TikTok Nati22304, IG I am Nata Claire siguro ni, Twitter Nati5, then YouTube nasa YouTube channel guys, so Nat Vlogs, so nara diyang mga Nat Vlogs, so subscribe lang mo niya guys. So FB Kian Joseph Balesta, din napod ni siya YouTube channel guys, Kian Joseph Balesta, same gyapon sa nga sa Facebook, so subscribe mo guys. So Facebook Maria Cecilia Luzano Pagalan, Facebook Rodeline Pacaldo Mercado, shout out. FB Wilfred Pancho Limbaga, nara siya sa Facebook. Ang gusto mo makig-add, yan, i-add lang siya guys. So FB April Mi Hamel Pandak, friend me guys. TikTok April Mi Hamel 4, then yung YouTube channel guys is April Mi Hamel Vlog. So visit mo sa channel guys kung gusto mo subscribe mo guys niya. So from the subscriber corner, Facebook Joya Dagum, Facebook Mi Alak Pasok, FB Rishaline Tan Almendras, Facebook Marilyn Brina, TikTok Brina 713, Facebook is Marilyn Brina, then nasa duha sa Facebook is Inday Linlin Brina, Facebook Johanna Paula Padegos Paglinawan. So Facebook is Aliesa Glea Bagyo, TikTok is at Aliesa Glea Bagyo 0902, yung Twitter is at Bagyo Glea, siya IG pero nasa YouTube channel guys, so Aliesa Glea Bagyo. Visit mo sa YouTube channel guys kung gusto mo subscribe. Facebook has Dancela Mensky, yes. Facebook Katrina May Abusiho, TikTok Maye 03, mo siya Twitter, IG is May 03, dan nasa YouTube channel guys sa Katrina May. Visit mo sa channel guys, please subscribe. Then Facebook Jihan Shemit Adlaon, TikTok Jihana Adlaon, Twitter Hanji, Facebook Rangel Joy Mamiao si Ma'am, TikTok Joy22, then yung IG Joy Mio. Follow siya guys, follow her social media account. So Facebook Hazel Moli, add friend na guys. So Facebook Christine Makabud, Twitter Boshi2, Twitter nan, Facebook Christine Makabudbud, name Annalizel Malikuban, TikTok Jemzel, ayan Facebook Annalizel Malikuban. Follow guys. Facebook Zera Ganzo Umak. IG Zera Umak Zoo. Follow her guys, so her social media account. Facebook, Leah Limbaga Solito. Ed Casey. Facebook, April May Perotti. At guys, follow. Facebook, Kylen Parehes. IG, Kylen Parehes 06. Follow guys. So, Facebook, Ira Jane Pakatang. Facebook, Erin May Angot. IG, Erin May Angot. Diyan, TikTok is May 15. Follow guys, watch her social media account. Follow her. Yan, shout out. So, Facebook, Lavini Bani Klahos. Ito ba si Lavin Bani Klahos. So, yan. Shout out din. Facebook, Junel Sarabusing. TikTok, Junel Sarabusing. Then, IG, Junel Jaminel Sarabusing. Yeah, follow her guys. Then shout out kay Isabel. Yang Twitter is at Isabel119415. Yang IG is at it's me Bell. YouTube, nasa YouTube channel guys. So Sassy Bells. Kung gusto mo subscribe niya guys, please subscribe to her channel. Yes. Shout out kay Wena Ranara. Yang IG is kasi pagbasa ni Heshna 26. Heshna. Nasa TikTok guys, follow. Then May Rahara 26. Follow her Bals. Facebook Yaha Bals. So Michael Estos. Shout out kay Dunafi Pancho Ahok. Yan nasa TikTok Dunafi Ahok. Yan, shout out Dunafi. Follow Dunafi guys. Bals. So Facebook is Evron Ramos. IG Evron Cutie. TikTok at Norvi22. Nasa ano guys, basta follow Norvi guys. So shout out. So Facebook, Rosane Aguanta. TikTok, Rosane Aguanta. Follow her guys on her social media account. Angela Humawan Carbonell. IG Angela Humawan Carbonell. TikTok Chosen One Carbonell. Shout out. So next is shout out kay Frizzly Baguio. IG is Frizzly Baguio. TikTok Frizzly Baguio. Then Twitter Frizzly BJ or Frizzly B. Follow her guys. So yeah. So shout out kay Galab Shella Marie Gaslang. TikTok Shay 2004. Then, yung Instagram is Shay Gaslang 27. Follow her Bals. Kung gusto mo nga i-follow siya, follow lang Bals. So, Facebook, Juenel Gawan Minguez. Then, nasa YouTube channel guys, please subscribe. Juenel Gawan Minguez. Please subscribe. So, next, shout out kay Facebook, Armela May Lumbay. Then, iyang TikTok guys is Armela May Lumbay. Tanaw siya TikTok guys, basi magaran mo heart, then follow. Next is taga-amuan ni guys. So Facebook Jane Baliling, yang Instagram at Jane Bals, at yang Twitter is Panay. Follow. Next Bals is Monique siya nga ito nag-suggest sa yung bingo toothpaste prank guys. So kung wapo mo katanaw Bals, watch now para try not to laugh Bals. So promise. Basta palimot na Bals. So this is it. So Facebook is Zip Zona Tejeda and Zip Anay Jonah Tejada. Then yung IG kay it's me Juna. Follow her guys. So Facebook May Alak Pasok. Follow and make friends, di ba? So Facebook Johanna Paula Padigos Paglinawan rather. Facebook is Dave Perez 2. Shout out kay Prince Jason Buho Salces. Facebook is Sherilyn. Papasad ni guys, so i-add friend na guys sa Facebook na single siguro ni guys. Tigbayo maay. Then Facebook is Jomi Jane. Then IG is Jomi Jane. So classmate ni guys. So add and follow. Shoutout kay Asia Nicole. Yang IG is Asia Nicole. Twitter is Asha Kagas. Shoutout kay Queen Rose Carlom. Marag na siya TikTok is Queen Rose Carlom. I think Queen Rose Carlom na siguro. Basta shoutout kay Queen Rose Carlom. So this is it. So name shoutout kay Aliyah An Evangelista. TikTok is Aliyah An 12. IG Badiday Aliyah. So nasa din sa YouTube channel. So ako i-promote yung YouTube channel guys. So Badiday Aliyah. So please visit her channel guys and please do subscribe. Shoutout kay Lizelle Pahares. TikTok Lizelle Pinario 82. IG Lizelle Pinario 08. So follow her guys. Go pa sa video guys. So shoutout kay April Eve Reyes. So yung Facebook is April Eve. IG is April Eve Reyes. TikTok April Eve. Then ano to guys. So kung gusto mo niya follow siya sa TikTok, i-add siya sa Facebook and make friends, why not, diba? So yung shoutout kay Ryan Dumandan. Then na siya sa YouTube channel guys. So mga tutorials din guys. So yung YouTube channel guys, tutorials. So kung gusto mo mga tutorial guys, visit yung channel guys para mas kung namoy gusto mahibawan na sa yung channel guys, and please do subscribe. So another shoutout kay Daniel Sarmiento Almazan. IG at Daniel Sarmiento. Twitter at Almanzk. TikTok is Cat1425. Kay Divine Faith. Diyan Facebook is Divine Faith. IG it's Divine02. And TikTok Divinis.02. Divinis or Divinis. Basta. Nara guys. So follow her guys. So yung Facebook siya din. Shoutout kay Sin Michael Madridijo. Yeah, mo rin sa Facebook is Sin Michael Madridijo. So Facebook, shoutout kay Eve Casey. Then lastly ay napad. So shoutout kay Zane Palingkod 2 or Jane 2 sa iyang Facebook. Then lastly, shoutout kay Junalisa Balili. TikTok Junalisa Balili. IG Junalisa Balili. Then yang FB is Junalisa Balili. Paan guys? Maro to guys. So maro to siya guys. Follow lang guys. So Wana guys, so wana balls. So morning atong na shoutout karong adlaw balls.
A few moments later.
Yay! 100 subscribers na. 100 subscribers. Yahoo! Yeah. So happy 800 subscriber balls. So again and again. Thank you, boss. I love you all.